This is a 5 Jetskiing 8, 5-4 through to Hamilton Island. Karen, you're loving life.
It's like warm up here.
What are we doing, Brooke?
Walking a kilometre to our hotel.
This is a great shot because both you and Karen are in it.
And I've got a 7-kilo bag and a 21-kilo bag.
So you're carrying...
I've got guns after this.
Let's hope so. Great.
Hey guys, welcome to Whitsundays Terrace Resort. We're about to welcome you to the beautiful pool that has ceramic views of the Airlie beach.
Day 2 and we've already been out, but now we're going, there's Karen, where are we going?
To book our trip
yes.
to the Whitsundays.
And we're going to do paddleboarding and
be on a trampoline, which I don't think we're going to be able to jump even
a water trampoline.
Half a metre.
We'll get half a metre. And then we're just going to go on a cruise around the beach. It's a beautiful day. As you can see, there's the sun.
Good at holding it.
What do you mean?
Holding it a bit low. There we go.
Jeez, she's hard work. Anyway, see you soon. Hey, bud. Playground, Brooke Berryman, dangerous combination.
Hi, my name's Brooke Berryman. Welcome to Jackass.
No, like shows down there.
Oh. That.
Pretty steep. Alright, come with me. I wonder if they can see. Hopefully you can see. See you later. Bye. That's pretty cool. Oh! Jeepers. That spits you out. Are you ready? Are you stopping yourself?
No.
Let yourself go.
Yeah.
Why did I come out so quickly?
That was not enjoyable at all. Full on water slide.
I kind of enjoyed it. I think I hurt my ankle at the bottom.
Yeah, it really sends you out.
Brooke, you found a coconut. Where'd you find it?
In the rubbish.
The rubbish?
But I'm a bit worried that when we crack it open there's going to be like bugs.
That would not
but
be
I
great.
reckon it's going to be good because it's really heavy. So it's had a little time to
juice.
Marinate.
Marinate. I feel like coconut water should not marinate. Talk us through what's about to happen, Brooke.
I'm about to, well, I've already punctured.
Just be careful that you don't stab yourself. I'm really concerned.
It's pretty solid, Brooke. So we got it all coconutted open. Here's all the mess. And then Brookie found it was all moldy and disgusting. And it stinks. Oh, and I stood on it. Oh, it stinks real bad. That's nasty.
Well, all my fans are from Coconut Grove.
Okay, yeah, good.
And
great start.
They watch me daily, mainly on holidays. I don't really vlog any other time.
Oh.
So it's a little bit of a sporadic channel. And if you want to subscribe, then you've got to be prepared to wait like 6 months
6 months.
in between.
Great. That's a great summary. Thank you for your time.
Yeah.
My agent will be in contact with your agent. Thank you.
Great.
We having fun? Good. Yeah.
Call it magic. Call it true. Call it magic.
For anyone that knows Brookie will understand this has great significance to her.
Oh my god.
And I just got broken into two. Still I call it magic when I'm next to you. And I don't.
Bought a volleyball and played for probably like an hour with these 2 little kids. They were really cute, and the girl was definitely better than me at it.
And the boy was definitely better than me at it.
They were really nice and fulfilled my dreams of my volleyball days on the beach, even though the sand was a little bit like sandpaper. But at least we sort of got a free pedicure because now our feet are nice and zhuzhed. Heading back, it's currently 2:51 and we've got our sunset sail. We've got to meet at 4:15, so
I'll show you that when we get there.
yeah. Hey guys, we're underway on our ocean sundowner cruise. We've got our glass, which we didn't think we were getting.
Needs a bit of training. But we'll catch up with you shortly.
You're such a precious jewel.
We are on the boat cruise.
We out here.
We're looking at turtles. We've had beers. We're at Turtle Island, which is this place here. And this is where the turtles are, hanging out here. Worth the $65?
Yes.
Worth the $65.
Definitely.
I wanna fall so hard. And I call it magic. And I call it true. I call it magic.
Hey everybody.
Oh, that's not what I was going to do.
Oh,
Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, deep in the jungle of Whitehaven Beach. We've got Karen taking up the rear. Look.
the real.
And James up front, just making sure everything goes smoothly. So, we're making our way up to a lookout so we can see the tigers.
Yeah.
They have tigers, right?
Which option are you guys gonna choose? Do we take A, the ocean walk,
Ocean walk.
B, the jungle trek?
That sounds good.
It's your time to choose. Don't fuck it up.
Or we die.
You have chosen jungle trek. Fuck, I've been bitten by a snake.
Bah, I'm bleeding out. I fell off a rock face even though we're in the
Do you
jungle.
want to try again?
Yes.
Great, you chose ocean walk.
Spectacular part of the world and a great place to be a national park ranger. There's more than 90 islands altogether.
We've just spotted a nice lizard hanging out. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he seems like a nice fella. Hopefully you can spot that. Right there. Take care, mate. Pleasure seeing you.
asleep. Dream of
We're at the Marina at Airlie Beach, and we've just done Brooke's drone flying lesson. We'll put some sweet clips in there. I don't know if we got many clips, but maybe we got a photo.
So it's Friday today, and we've got our
Jet ski tour.
So that's exciting. Our last little adventurous expedition for the holiday. We've done quite a few. We've done like a lot of adventurousness. Wanted to go watch the cane toads, and it was fricked. Like the poor little guys. And some guy won $1,100.
Yeah.
So that was a weird experience.
Point. Anyway, so we shall see you, probably James, Brooke and Karen, because you'll be watching this at home, but also we'll catch up with you when we're at the jet ski place.
Next to us.
And Yodi. See you there, Yodson.
Miss you, Yodi.
Bye. Last day in Airlie Beach, and it's turned into a bit of a miserable one.
Yep. The breakfast is not going to be anything like what we had yesterday, but...
Can we go to the other spot then?
Oh yeah, maybe.
We'll put it to Sharon. Good day to be going home, as you can see. Not
Make me
quite
feel as bad about it.
the one. So, yeah. Going for brekkie, and then flight is at 1:30, 3:30?
3:30 to
3:30.
Brisbane.
So you'll probably hear from us before then. Where are we at, Bron?
Are at the markets, which are shutting at the moment, but I found some brothers.
And some brothers, that's true.
Had a good chat to them. Mum got a little ring, I can show you.
Clothing brand? Cool.
Yeah, we're gonna go get our free ice cream. It's gonna be free in about half an hour.
And we'll show you those. They'll be yum.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Woo!
I wanna know what's up your alley. Heard you living in your mama's house. I know you're tired, bruised and broken, but your parents splitting up. Then again, I can't help but figure out why I can't get to know your brain before I sleep with your body. I'm like a freight train with broken lights.